guys, welcome to my channel Learn with me. Today we are going to start with anatomy, human anatomy. So first we are going to learn about upper extremity, muscle of upper extremity of pectoral region. So first, what is pectoral region? So pectoral region is the anterior chest wall. So there are four muscles in the pectoral region, which are pectoralis minor, pectoralis major, subclavius and serratus anterior muscle. So, first we are going to learn about pectoralis minor muscle. So, this which you can see here is the pectoralis minor muscle. It arises from the third, fourth, fifth rib near the costochondral junction. This is the costochondral junction of the ribs, and it is inserted on the coracoid process of the scapula. Coracoid process of the scapula. It is supplied by medial and lateral pectoral nerve. So, both the muscle pectoralis minor and pectoralis major are supplied by the medial and lateral pectoral nerve. Minor means small and major means big. So, minor is more in length than that of the pectoralis major muscle. Then action of the pectoralis minor muscle. Pectoralis minor muscle action is depression at the shoulder joint and protraction, that is punching movement. It helps serratus anterior muscle in punching movement. Okay. Now the pectoralis major muscle. So the pectoralis major muscle is the main muscle of the pectoral region. So that's why it is named as pectoralis major muscle. So, pectoralis major muscle arises from the four fibers. First are the clavicular fibers. Medial three-fourth of the clavicular fibers it arises. Then manubrial fibers, half of the breadth of the manubrium. Pectoralis major muscle arises from here. Then from the ribs. Then aponeurotic fibers from the external oblique muscle of the abdomen, which is there in the abdomen, and all the four fibers get inserted on the lateral rib of the intertubercular circle on the humerus. It is inserted on the in the form of the lamina, which are interconnected inferiorly. This is the inferior, this is superior, this is inferior, anterior lamina, posterior lamina. As I said before, the pectoralis major muscle is inserted in the lateral tubercular circle of the intertubercular sulcus. Okay, so the pectoralis major muscle is also supplied by, as I said before, medial and lateral pectoral nerve. Okay, then the pectoralis major muscle is the main muscle of the, so their action is also main in the upper extremity. So the action of pectoralis major muscle is adduction. Okay. So what is adduction? So this hand is adducted at a shoulder joint. So this action is brought about by the pectoralis major muscle. Then later action of the pectoralis major muscle is a medial rotation at the shoulder joint. So this is medial rotation at the shoulder joint and this is lateral rotation at the shoulder joint. Then the clavicular head of the pectoralis major is helped in flexion at shoulder joint. This is the flexion movement at shoulder joint and this is the extension movement at shoulder joint. So pectoralis major is also known as a climbing muscle as its action is adduction, medial rotation and flexion, which is used in the climbing, so it is known as a climbing muscle. Then comes the subclavius muscle, which is supplied by the nerve to subclavius. Okay. Subclavius nerve supplies the subclavius muscle. Then the subclavius muscle arises from the first rib at costochondral junction of first rib and inserted on the subclavian groove on the clavicle, middle one-third of the clavicle. Action of subclavius muscle is steadies the clavicle and shoulder joint during the movement of the shoulder joint. Then comes the serratus anterior muscle, which is supplied by nerve to a serratus anterior. Then the arm, which will be learned in the next video. Serratus anterior muscle is originated from upper 8 ribs. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and supplied by nerve to serratus anterior. The movements of the serratus anterior muscle are punching movement and overhead abduction with the help of the trapezius, which we'll be learning in the next video. So this is the abduction, and beyond the 90 degree is overhead abduction of the shoulder joint, which is performed by the serratus anterior muscle with the help of the trapezius. Thank you for watching. To get update more about my channel, subscribe to my channel.